Hello, hello, hello. This Hoa Hoa, this Hoa Hoa, he named she named Bao Bao, the wise one, and the lazy one. This named Rambo. Where you going, Rambo? Hey, Rambo. He always sleep over there. He always sleep over there. And this Bao Bao. Hi, Bicho, bag, bag, a bag. He scared me when I'm speak loudly. He always scared because he's so noisy. He make the this name Tony, the older in this house, right? Good job, good job, good job. Sit down. Good job. He very lazy. He don't want to sit down cause good job. Yes. You see, when I'm telling to sit down, he's sleeping and playing. You see? Hey, you are so lazy, right? Tony, oh, what are you doing? Didi, you name Didi. He's sleeping.